Hey guys, Ron here with a quick public service announcement around the subject of winterizing. It's December, so definitely if you haven't gotten your first frost yet as a warm season guy, it's coming. So you're probably starting to think, what product should I apply to my lawn to help, put it in great shape for when the spring rolls around? Now, there's a couple different camps on winterizing. Some people say you should do it. Some people say it's completely unnecessary. I have personally done both, and I've gotten good results either way. So I'm not totally saying that you absolutely need to do this. All I'm saying that if you decide to winterize your lawn, if you decide to apply a fertilizer to your lawn over winter months, there's some things you want to consider. When it comes to winterizing your lawn, there's two fertilizers that come to mind. Is you have Milorganite, which actually in their application calendar, if memory serves me, has you applying it the last time around this time of year in Thanksgiving. And then you also have the product offering from Scott's, their Winter Guard product, which is also a great product for winterizing your lawn. The difference is that this guy's got 6% nitrogen in it, and the Scott's product has something like 32% nitrogen in it. So there's a huge difference in the amount of nitrogen that you're applying to your lawn, albeit slowly released over several months, over the winter months into the spring. So which one should you use? Now, you can just pick one. You can just go to your local Home Depot and grab some Milo, or go grab the Scott's product and just throw it down and hope for the best. But what I would recommend is you get a soil test done. Soil testing is something that's often overlooked in winter months, and I think you're just really missing the opportunity by not doing that. The soil test that I'm going to use, and I'm actually, once I get done with this video, I'm going to go out and get my samples done so I know which product I'm going to use to winterize my lawn, is the one from My Soil. It's the one that looks like this. You guys have seen me talk about this several times in the past on live streams. I've done several videos on how to actually use one of these, and it's a great product for determining which fertilizer you should use during winter months. Here's why. The question you need to answer is not only how much nitrogen, but also think about the other things that could be lacking in your soil. If your soil pH is low, now is a great time to fix that. Now is a great time to get some lime down and help raise that pH up if it's low, or get a sulfate in it and bring those levels down if you need to make those kinds of adjustments. I mean, pH is one of those things that takes a while to fix. So if during winter months you're going to be out there applying a product to your lawn, you might as well fix several things instead of just looking at feeding the turf with the application of nitrogen over winter months. Again, they're super easy to use. I've got a video that I will link up here that shows you guys exactly how to do it. If you're really slow, it'll take you all of 5 minutes to get a soil test done in your lawn, get it mailed out. You'll have your results back, and then you'll know exactly what to do. If you want to know where to pick one of these guys up, I will have links in the description for you, and I'll also pin a comment that's going to show you, that's going to take you to where you can also pick one of these guys up from My Soil. They cost about 30 bucks. They're not that expensive. Literally, you'll get the sample done, mail it out. A week from now, you'll have your results, and then you'll know exactly which of these products, or perhaps something else, that you should be applying to your lawn over winter months. It's going to help you make a more informed decision about the products you're putting down on your lawn, and it'll help you get that stripe action in the spring that much sooner. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.